More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words is bonds will stand with thee.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about my clothing brand, Molding a Man. After writing and promoting my book, Molding a Man, I thought if my book produces great fathers, there should be a way of rewarding that talent. There is an important need for men who are great fathers or dads to get some recognition. The position of being a dad or a father is critical to the development of the family. Knowing that family members appreciate the effort that you have that man has displayed is critical to continue support. The way in which you reward that man can prove to be the switch for the next level effort. Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. The Molding a Man clothing brand is that reward that would represent your gratitude for him. Nothing can display who you are more than having the words written across your heart. The 3 Molding a Man clothing lines has something for every man. The Molding a Man line is for the man that takes on the mantle of building a legacy for all the men in the family. The Father for Life line is for the man that provides sound advice. The Dad Forever line is for the man that gives tough love. I believe every father or dad should have all 3 lines. But it's still up to the family members on which one they would give their father or their dad or that man in your life. Hopefully you like all the lines. Come to my webpage, check out my YouTube channel, and see what I got to offer you. Hopefully there's something for you to build on that I'm giving. Thank you very much. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.
Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they about to hear. Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they about to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words, his bonds will stand with thee.